This is the SCX24 Deadbolt by Axial, and this is going to be the first run. So here we go. Let's see how slow we can get it with the stock electronics in it. Uh-oh. He's losing it. Alright. Oh no! Yeah, the throttle's just a little touchy. Let's try another pass. I'm going to try to do this coming into it at an angle and see how. Let's see. Wonder if I can do it in reverse. Haven't tried this way yet. I knew it. Let's try this. Fail. Alright. I'm going to say this for the kiddos. I've got a neighborhood kid here. He's coming back a little later on. He comes over and plays with my son all the time. And he always brings his RC cars over here to play with them and have me work on them. He knows me as the RC guy. He's got a bunch of new bright stuff. And he just brought over a cool car the other day. It was like a 1/32 scale or something. And it just, footage, it just ripped. I mean, the thing was so fast, it just, all you could do was donuts with it. This thing seems to climb over just about anything you throw at it, though. I'm just amazed by this little truck. I've had 16 scale crawlers with the WPL stuff. And this thing is just a lot of fun. So, anyway, I'll try to get some more footage when we go outside and play on the hill. We'll just end it right there. Thanks for watching.